Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus Nord 3 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. And from there, all you will need to do is hold your power button and the volume down at the same time to capture whatever is visible on your screen. Once you see this, that's basically it. Your screenshot has been captured. Now you have two options. You have scroll and share that was visible there. And once this pop-up disappears, you can find the screenshot in your Photos application. And it's going to be visible under Photos as the newest one, or under Albums or under the folder called Screenshots. And as you can see, there it is. So that's how you capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.